Hello there, welcome to Crafting Unedited. My name's Sierra and I am your host. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Weld tool in Design Space. I will walk you through the steps on how to use weld and how to unweld, though there is really only one way to unweld a project, and you can only do so before you cut. Once you cut, it's stuck there forever, unfortunately. Because once you cut, it's kind of like you saved the project, so you can't go back. It's kind of crappy, but that's how Design Space created it. This is a very short tutorial, so let's get started, shall we?
So in order to weld this, right now all of the letters are separated. You can see by just clicking on them or looking all over here. And so we want to weld them together so that they stay together when we go to make the project, because if not, what's going to happen is this. They're going to kind of go really wonky. That looks nothing like what we want, right? So we go back and we wait. There it is. All right. So we want to select it all and hit this weld button right here. So now when we go to cut it, it's going to be exactly the same way that it is on the mat. What weld does is it attaches all the letters or the pictures together so that they cannot be separated when you move them. There is no way to unweld something once you have done it. Once it's there, it's there, unfortunately. So you would have to go back and start all over. You can, let's see, we'll just pick some random image here. This works. And because why not? Be kind is always nice, right? So you see how it's all attached. So when we move, it moves, right? So you can contour if you want to hide out pieces. And what that does is it erases pieces like that. If you hide them all, show all, ta-da, just like that. There you go, you have it. There's your weld.
Alright guys, that was it. Super quick, super short, huh? So, make sure you subscribe so that you can see all my fun tutorials. And until next time, we'll see you later.